Hello everybody and welcome to GHL plugin. In this video, we're going to show you how to install and connect the Kit app from our workflow apps in your sub account and be able to execute actions from your workflow app in GHL into your sub account. App is meant for sub accounts actually which who cannot switch the agency view. How do you guys get it installed within your sub account? First off, inside your sub account, come down here at App Marketplace and you search for the app. You have Kit for sub accounts. So you gotta make sure it's rated sub accounts. Install, scroll down, you come down here at Allow and Install. And there's some information required like the API key and the API secret. You just have to switch to your Kit sub account and get all those keys. In order to get those keys, you come here at the menu, drop down, settings, you come down here at prepare. We already have our API key there we created and the API secret. So we make sure we copy the API key, we switch back to the sub account and paste it. Go back, we show the API secret, we copy, we switch back to the sub account and get it pasted. And we continue, and we confirm. We complete the installation, and there you go. You have on install, which means the app is already installed within your sub account, and you're ready to go. You're ready to execute actions directly from your workflow app in GHL for your Kit account. So guys, if you ever have any question, feel free to reach out our support team who is available 24/7. Thank you for watching this video, guys, and once again, welcome to GHL plugin.